Hello again. I'm Dave Apsley. I'm a forester and a natural resources specialist with Ohio State University Extension. Today I'm joining you on a bright sunny morning from Jackson County, Ohio, and our woodland property here just north of Jackson. Today I'm excited to introduce you to strawberry bush. Strawberry bush also has another common name. In the Woody Plants of Ohio by E. Lucy Braun, she refers to it as hearts bursting open with love. So it has to have the distinction of having the longest common name of any woody plant in Ohio. So this is a really unique species. It's not common at all in Ohio. I actually can't even remember where I got these seedlings, but I planted several years ago. And it is native to here in Jackson County, Ohio, Meigs County, Ohio, and Vinton County, Ohio, according to Lucy Braun's Woody Plants of Ohio. So it's not common at all. It does have a natural range that extends to the south. It actually occurs from about New York to Texas and all the way well down into Florida. So how do we identify this beautiful species? First of all, it's a euonymus. It's a relative of our native burning bush. It's like all the other burning bush, it has opposite leaf arrangement. So the euonymus have opposite leaf arrangement. They're simple leaves, and those leaves, by opposite, we mean they're paired, so whenever we have one on the opposite side of the twig. Leaves are anywhere from 2 to about 4 inches long. They're fairly narrow and come to a nice distinct point. There is another native species of euonymus that occurs more in the northern part of the state, and those are more rounded. That's called running strawberry bush. These leaves also have finely serrate or toothed margins. They're kind of dark green on the top and a little bit lighter on the underside. So again, opposite leaf arrangement like all the other euonymus. Twigs are square. They're very green year-round. So even here late in the fall, these are very green twigs. They're square. They are not very big. They're fairly slender, maybe somewhere around 1/8 of an inch in diameter out here on the tips. And then the bole or the stem stays green as well until it gets much larger. The keys say these shrubs get to be anywhere from 2 to about 10 feet in height. This one's probably just about 7 feet in height. So it's actually a beautiful specimen. Also on the tips of those twigs, we have lighter colored buds. They're almost orange in color or a tan in color bud at the tip, and then right at the base of where those leaves are attached. In the very late spring, they'll produce these perfect flowers. They have 5 petals. They're kind of greenish, but a little purple tint to them. So they're really unique, delicate pink flowers or purplish, greenish flowers. And I noticed those early this spring, and I hoped this thing would produce fruit, and I'm very fortunate that it did. So what really makes this species unique is the fruit. Strawberry bush is the common name. Before these husks open up, before they pop open, they look like little strawberries. They have a similar texture, kind of spiny little texture, and then they pop open to expose these orangish red fruits that are a little bit bumpy as well. So again, this is strawberry bush, very uncommon here in Ohio, but it's one that I highly recommend if you've got a spot that's along a woodland edge that gets some partial sun to maybe even a little bit more exposure than that. It can add some real diversity to your landscape, and it adds definitely some texture and beauty. So thank you very much, and please take at least part of your day to enjoy it in the woods.